If your B2B revenue is stalling, you are likely blaming the product, the economy, or the competition. But usually, the bottleneck is something else entirely, a broken marketing process. When marketing execution is scattered, you lose visibility and velocity. I am going to diagnose exactly why your revenue engine is stalling and how to fix it. There are 3 common breakdowns that kill revenue growth. 1. The strategy execution gap. You are hiring consultants who offer theory but fail to deliver execution. You are paying for ideas that never hit the ground. 2. The sales handoff friction. Marketing and sales operate in silos. Your marketing attracts clicks, but sales is scrambling for collateral because they lack the assets needed to move prospects through the funnel. 3. Process absence. Marketing feels messy and time-consuming because it is reactive. You are chasing the next big thing rather than following a disciplined operational rhythm. Growth is not about more volume or noise. It is about marketing sales alignment. If your current partner leaves you with scattered efforts and high-priced advice, they are the problem. You need an engine dedicated to revenue, a repeatable system that moves prospects forward without you. Here is how we fix it. Pillar 1. Marketing processes matter. Implement the right workflows and automation so marketing gets done consistently even when you are busy. Pillar 2. Sales enablement first. We stop creating content for the sake of it. We build a sales asset library that addresses the exact questions your sales team fields on calls. Pillar 3. Metrics that move the needle. Move away from vanity metrics. Track engagement, pipeline impact, and conversion data to prove ROI. Ready to stop the juggling act? It is time to replace isolated tactics with a managed execution plan that acts as a seamless extension of your team. Let us build your custom marketing engine. Visit whitmergroup.com to connect with us.